discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Land Rover Range Rover. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 5-liter 8-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, a blind spot monitoring system, a power liftgate, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and more than 20 speakers, providing an unparalleled richness of audio. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.